these are Rachelle babies. They are a week old today. Aren't they just so precious? Oh, look at that little baby yawn. That's so cute. Hi, babies. Hi, sweethearts. Hi, my little dog. The lighting in here is not that grand, and I have the newest iPhone to help me with recording my little videos, and it's supposed to be so good and stabilize and all that wonderful jazz, but really and truly, I'm not convinced. I constantly have to keep touching the screen, so you guys can get a good clear video of these cute loving babies. Hi, sweetheart. How you doing, buds? So I think these two dark ones are both females, and of course the red would have to be a boy. Reds, females have to come from a gene from daddy, and our daddies are not red, so we'll never have red females. But we definitely have lots of red boys. Yes, we do. Oh, he is just pushing into my hand. He likes his lovings. Their eyes are not yet open. Kittens' eyes typically don't open until they're at least about 10 days old, sometime between 7 and 10 days old, typically. Oh, look, its little tongue sticking out. Oh my God, it's so cute. Oh, he's hissing. He's hissing. He's like, I was getting the camera and you moved it. So sorry, my love. But they are just so adorable. Thought I'd show you guys a cute little clip. I think I recorded a video a few days ago of them. But thought I'd get at least a little another one. Mama's out eating, drinking, and using the potties. And she is such a good mama. But these are her little babas. And they are so cute. But anyways, till next time, thanks for watching.